This river flow from Waro River from the bridge. A bridge is like a London bridge, okay? And that green water is Waro River, and that one, the green one, the small one, is the 0 point, okay? If you want to go, you'll go only up.
Wow, la short beat, la ya beat lut kibril, ya kane, kacing keren, bat kacing pro, bat kacing slur, jong ini ikong, ibadai na tain sora. Hakaba ngitip bak tien pareng, kadai kawai ketien, kabak kam bat kalong ruk ketien kabak baro kitip ha. Hakaba utei turis, ulak keliya ite ikong, bat ini ikong, klemla ban mudur, ilala ban keren pareng tik tiak, bat batai ya utei turis, ya ka history, ba ka India, bat ka Bangladesh, bat ya ketika kap bordar, hakaba don hapo sora. Ila batai ya ka history ba mendai, ya utei turis, tik tiak tak tin pareng, kabashai, bat ka bakliar bah, bat ka bala ban sngutho, dapabun kibriu namar ka jingshai ka ktien ka ba ite kong kren wala kata kalong ka English ka bamla ban bej henrei ka jingkren jong ipat ka pan sngutho bat kala ban sngutho daparo kibriu ki basngap ki basngutho pareng namar ka jingshai bat ka jingkliar bat ka jingjong slur jong ite ikong ban batai kalong ka basngut tenat bha bat kalong ka ek basngut sarong yangi ki khasi ban yu ba wala ide na nong kendong henrei ila ban kren pareng tik tiak bat batai ya utei turis sngap yak ke ba ite ikong ikren bat kumno phila ban mudur ba ite ikong ikren pareng namar idei tang inong kendong ngimla ban mudur ye kata henrei sngap bat pep makhi bat sakhi hi yak ke ba ite ikong ikren hakte ke social media.
Green water is Waro River, and that one, the green one, the small one, is the 0 point, okay? If you want to go, you'll go only up to the 0 point, okay? But you see that white sand in that river, that white sand in the river, the Bangladesh made a beach there, okay? From the beach, this side that means in India, but from the beach that side that means in Bangladesh, okay? So that beach, from here we call Dubai, but the Bangladesh called Dubari, okay? So from this river, a missionary, Thomas John, he is from Wales. He came by boots and his footage was on Majarugan, and he brought this alphabet A, B, C, D at Sherapanji. He formed President Church, President School, and still now the statue of Thomas John is at the President Church at Nangsolia. A church is beside the highway road, okay? So, then from the bottom of the hill, this side, that means in Meghalaya, okay? Then, from the bridge, that side, you see it's like forest, but that it's not a forest, it is a village, okay? That village name is it's called Doya Mari Bridge, okay? And this plain area is called Kulai. Kulai means it is a horse, okay? But previous it is there is no vehicles, no road, so the carry thing from the carry thing at the house, okay, from Celeb from the Bangladesh, the carry thing, so they make a stand of the horse there, okay. So all